You're in mute till 5 o'clock. Terrence, meaning me, will be supervising you. You must remain in this classroom.
I'm missing my football practice right now. My coach is gonna be pissed.
I can't believe this. I never get in trouble.
Ugh, cheerleader, we gotta get out of here. Here, I'm gonna miss my spelling bee. I've won that for 3 years, people. 3 years.
Okay, so what's your plan then, smart guy?
You're not going to get out here. We can pick the lock.
Oh, that's your solution? A paperclip? Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, way to use your brain.
Yeah.
I'm in the room with a bunch of idiots. Oh my lord.
Really? A paper clip cheerleader? Really? That's what you can think of? Have any of you guys seen movies before? Ugh.
Which is why we need to break the glass, which I can do personally, and then we can just make a run for it. It's so
Are you
simple.
sure about that? Are you sure?
Clearly specify that it's too messy. And this is my new shirt.
Oh, give me a
Oh,
break.
of course.
Seriously?
Of course, that's what you care
That's
about,
what you care about.
cheerleader.
It's so,
Yeah,
of course.
we can do it.
I will do it.
Do it.
I
Do
will.
it. Come on. Do it.
Okay,
Okay, do
no.
it hard.
Wait.
It won't work.
You must respect my authority.
Shut up, Terrence.
All you gotta do is break the glass.
No.
Seriously?
Oh, yeah,
Break the
do it.
glass.
Come on.
I can
Start
literally do it
it. You
myself.
suck
Literally
anything.
I can do it right myself.
Do it.
No.
Come on.
That's
Do it.
That's
I won't do
what-
this. You're
what if
spelling
I
bee.
get
You're
caught?
not-
I'm gonna die.
All right.
Oh, you're gonna die. Oh, great.
Yeah,
you're the
You're
worst
fine.
player on the
You're
team.
Why don't you care?
Later. Or you do that. Later, losers.
Wait.
You